Okay, kindergartners, we are going to be making some cactus today in art. We're going to start by doing the drawings of our cactus first, and then next week we will be coloring them. So you're going to need a Sharpie marker, and you're going to make sure you take the cap off of that marker and put it tightly on the back. Please remember the rules of our Sharpie. It stays on the paper. If I see anyone getting it on the table or their hands, they will not be able to use this. So the first thing we're going to do is create the ground for our project, which always starts at the bottom of the paper. You're going to draw a line that goes all the way across. That's going to separate the ground from the sky. So I'm going to come about 3 to 4 finger widths from the bottom of the paper and draw a line. Now if it's a little crooked, that's okay. Sometimes the ground is a little crooked. Our ground is not perfectly straight. What we're going to do is we have I like to call it our mama cactus and our baby cactus. So I'm going to start with the baby cactus first, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to draw, I almost like to, kind of reminds me of a rainbow shape. We're going to draw a curve like that. And usually cactus can have many shapes to them. We're going to be drawing cactus that look like this, that have bumps and circles. So off of this little cactus, I am going to draw one more curve. And I want to make sure this curve touches this one. Okay, now I'm going to do my mama cactus. I want to start over here so that I have room for the sides of that. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start by drawing a taller curve. And then off of that, I'm going to do an oval on each side. I want to make sure that oval touches this one. So I want to kind of be close. So each side has an oval. Now off of there, I'm going to do a smaller oval off of this one, and then a little oval here. And then I might do another one that comes kind of in this direction. You can change the directions of these. If you want to add an extra bump coming off of these, that's up to you, okay? So now what we're gonna do is create some lines to make texture in our cactus. And we've talked about texture. An artist will draw repeated lines over and over to make something look bumpy or smooth in their artwork. When we were making our trees, we drew lines to make our trees look bumpy. Now we're gonna draw short little lines that go in different directions to make our cactus look spiky, because cactus have little spikes on them. Some of these lines are going to go outside of our cactus, and some of these lines are going to go inside our cactus. And notice how they're all in different directions, and they're very short little lines. So you're going to do that in all of your big cactus and all of your baby cactus. Okay, so we have the lines in our cactus done to make them look spiky. Now we're going to do some little circles in our sand to make the sand look a little rough and bumpy. So I'm not dabbing like this with my marker because that ruins the tip of it. I'm just going to go in short little filled in circles, and I'm going to do a bunch of little circles in the bottom part of my ground, and soon it will start to look different little pieces of sand. All right, my friends, we will color these next week.